everybody, and welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys the ad preview that we are getting this Sunday. Now, most of you guys know, usually when there's holidays, we don't get any good inserts. We always usually get like the P&G on the last month, but just want to give you guys a heads up. We're only getting one insert, and it is the June Procter & Gamble P&G. That, sorry, I'm holding a baby, so I forgot what I'm saying. But the website that we're looking at right now is moolasavingmom.com. You guys can preview this, but most of the time you guys know what's in the insert, so just giving you guys a heads up. But we are getting $2 off a line, $1 off all day, always Radiant. Now, I don't like those coupons. I like them when they're the 3 off of 2. So it is going to be kind of a slow month, I think, because everybody's going on vacation. So you're going to see, you know, not the greatest deals all month long. I'm hoping, or not really hoping, but I'm thinking Bounty coupons, Cascade Essentials, $2 off, $1 off Cascade, 25 cents off Charmin toilet paper, $1 off of Crest mouthwash, toothpaste. We're getting a 5 off of 1 white strips, Downy conditioner, $1 off, Gain Dish, Gillette, I can't even say all of a sudden, deodorant, $1 off. $3 off the Gillette razors, $1 off regular razors, which is not the great deal. Here we're getting a 4 off of 2 hair food, so maybe we can get some good deals with that. $2 off and $1 off Head and Shoulders, not the greatest. $2 off of 2 Herbal Essence BioRenew. We're getting homemade simple detergent, Kids Crest mouthwash and Kids Crest toothpaste, 50 cents. $1 off Love's diapers. $2 off Metamucil, Olay, $1 off of 1, Old Spice, $1 off of 1. Now here we're getting an Old Spice deodorant, body wash, or bar soap for 3 off of 3. Oral-B toothbrush, Oral-B floss, $1 off of 1, 50 cents off Kids. Pampers, 3 off of 2, which could be an okay deal for the Easy Ups. Splashers, 2 off of 1, and then we're getting $1.50 off just the regular Pampers diapers. Pantene, a 5 off of 3 or $1 off of 1. Pepto-Bismol, 50 cents off of 1. Prilosec puffed tissues, 50 cents off of 1. That's actually a pretty decent deal. Secret Fresh, $1 off. Now there are some deals on Ibotta for that. Here we got Tampax Pearl, $1 off. Tide, $2. Tide, $2. Tide, $2. Venus, $3, $1.50 off of ZQL. So not the greatest, I don't think, but if you guys want to get them, go for it. I'm going to kind of pass unless I can get some inserts from other people, but just wanted to share with you guys on that, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.